plus 2 cos square c equal to 0. So now we can remove the 2 also. So it simply becomes cos a plus b into cos a minus b plus cos square c equal to 0. If cos a plus b is equal to cos c. Okay, because a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So it becomes like this, right? Cos a plus b equal to, actually it should be minus cos c, right? So it should be minus cos c. So cos c into cos a minus b plus cos square c equal to 0. Cos c into cos a minus. So here we can take out cos c. So then it becomes like cos c into cos a minus b plus cos c equal to 0. So again this cos c is equal to cos a plus b. So it becomes 2 cos a cos b cos c equal to 0. So that means, so it's a series of transformations we can get like this. That means one of the three, cos a or cos b or cos c, is equal to 0. So that means one of the angles should be 90 degrees, any one of them. So it's a right angle triangle. Okay.
Sir, இல்லனாக்க நம்ம வந்து a equal to 180 minus of b plus c ன்னு எடுத்து போடலாம்.
Correct. That's what I'm doing. A equal to 180 minus a plus b. So
yes,
that is why this we are able to transform that cos a plus b to cos c and the cos c to or minus sin.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இப்ப நமக்கு அந்த sin square a ன்னு இருக்குல்ல சார், அந்த பிளேஸ்ல வந்து நம்ம sin square of 180 minus b plus c ன்னு
போடலாமே. போட்டா அப்ப எப்படி அது பண்ண முடியும்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்லயே அப்படி போட்டா it doesn't help, no? So you have to நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். You can use a different method also. Ultimately, you have to it becomes equal to 2 cos a cos b cos c ன்னு மாத்திரணும்.
Yes, sir.
There will generally be multiple methods. Okay, the trigonometry இப்படி தான் போடணும்னே கிடையாது. So you keep transforming at every step. This is one way what I have shown. You can try your own way also. Actually you should do that, right? Different ways. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hi Keshav. Hi. And hi Bhumika. Right. So let me move on to the next problem. Okay. Now f of theta is equal to modulus sin theta plus modulus cos theta. Okay, so theta belongs to R. Then what is the range of f of theta? Okay, so range, yeah. So did somebody work it out? It looks like the range of sin theta is -1 to 1. Upper range of modulus of sin theta will be 0 to 1. Clear? So modulus means it will only take the positive values. Adhe mari modulus of cos theta will also be 0 to 1. So it looks like the summing of the two will have the range of 0 to 2. Ana apdi kedaya. Okay? Ena when sin theta is 0, 1, at the same time cos theta will also has to be 1 for the sum to become 2. So அதனால ரெண்டுமே simultaneously ஒண்ணா இருக்காது. அதனால தான் so it will be less than 1, less than 2. So அதை வச்சுட்டே நம்ம ஆப்ஷன் 1 ஐயும் ஆப்ஷன் 3 ஐயும் நம்ம ரூல் அவுட் பண்ணிடலாம். and it will not be 1 also, it will be definitely more than 1. So I mean, just by looking at it, you can eliminate options 1, 3, and 4, and you can say that it is 2. But we can prove it also. So now let us square it. Okay. So it becomes f square theta is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 mod sin theta mod cos theta. So, but we know that 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So, now it becomes 1 plus mod of sin 2 theta. But we know that sin 2 theta, it will have a range of 0 to 1. But sine of any angle, 2 theta is also like any angle only. So, its range will be between 0 and 1. So, f square theta will have a range of 1 plus 0 to 1 plus 1, that is 1 to 2. So that means f will have a range of 1 and root of 2.
Sir, on the root 2 எப்படி sir?
In the last step, yeah. See, the sine in the step paranga, f square theta equal to 1 plus mod of sin 2 theta, right? Then this mod of sin theta, sin 2 theta will have a range of 0 and 1. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means f square theta will have a range of 1 plus 0 and 1 plus 1. அந்த ஸ்டெப்பை நான் போடல, டீட்டெயில்டாக போடல, அதனால தான் உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஷன் இருக்கு. ஸோ தட் மீன்ஸ் 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2.
Yes, sir.
ஸோ f ஸ்கொயர் தீட்டாவோட ரேஞ்ச் வந்து 1 to 2ன்னு வருது இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
ஸோ யூ டேக் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட், இட் பிகம்ஸ் 1 and root 2.
Yes, sir.
So let's all of you agree? Anybody has any doubts? இது யாராவது ட்ரை பண்ணீங்களா? cos 6x plus 6 cos 4x plus 15 cos 2x plus 10 divided by cos 5x plus 5 cos 3x plus 10 cos x. It is very complicated, but using some transformations, we can bring the numerator equal to denominator. Numerator equal to something into that value of denominator. So that is what we are going to try. See, but cos 6x plus 6 cos 4x plus 15 cos 2x plus 10 இந்த மாதிரி எழுதலாம். Cos 6x plus cos 4x. Okay. So cos 4x ஒரு cos 4x எடுத்துட்டோம் இதுல. So remaining 5 cos 4x are there. So அதனால 5 cos 4x plus 5 cos 2x எடுத்துட்டோம். So அடுத்தது since we have taken 5 cos 2x, 10 cos 2x are remaining. So அதே இன்னொரு டேபிள் போட்டுக்கலாம். 10 cos 2x plus 10 cos 0 அப்படின்னு. So you see that now we have written it like cos A plus cos B format. So that will be 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Yeah. So therefore it becomes 2 cos 5x into cos x. அதே மாதிரி இது 5 into 2 cos 3x into cos x. அதே மாதிரி இது plus 10 into 2 cos x cos x. So if we can take 2 and cos x is common in all the terms. So if you take that out, then it simply becomes the denominator. What remains is only cos 5x plus 5 cos 3x plus 10 cos x. So which is same as the denominator, which gets cancelled out. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The triangle of maximum area with constant perimeter of 12 meter. So, so what is the that triangle which has a perimeter of 12 meter and maximum area. Okay. So a
Sir,
triangle.
equilateral triangle.
Sorry, Nitin, can you repeat?
Sir, equilateral triangle.
Yeah, correct. So any triangle, if for a given perimeter, the area will be maximum when it is an equilateral triangle. So this you can take it as a given, okay? Because the proof of that involves complex calculations involving calculus. So another additive click வேண்டாம். So you but you understand that for a given perimeter, maximum area வந்து equilateral triangle தான். So அதனால since the perimeter is 12 meter, if it is an equilateral triangle, its side will be 12 by 4 equal to 3, 12 by 3, which is 4 meters. So option 1 is that one, equilateral triangle with side of 4 meter. Let me move on. Okay. The wheel is spinning at 2 radians per second. How many seconds will it take to make 10 complete rotations? இது போடுறீங்களா?
Sir, 25 seconds.
25. வேற யாரும் போட்டீங்களா? Other than Nitin Raj, Bhumika. Actually 10 pi தான் வரும். See, because one complete rotation is equal to 2 pi radians. சரியா? அப்படிங்கும்போது 10 complete rotations will be 20 pi radians. So 20 pi radians is the distance covered in terms of radians.
Yes,
speed is 2 radians per second in கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So the distance is 20 pi and the speed is 2. So you divide 20. So therefore the time will be distance by speed. Yeah. So 20 by 2. So that becomes 10 pi seconds. This is option 1.
yes.
Okay. If sin alpha plus cos alpha equal to b, then sin 2 alpha is equal to
Sir, third option also.
third option, b square minus 1. Yeah.
Sir, we can square on both sides. We will get 1 plus 2 sin theta cos alpha equal to b square. 2 sin alpha cos alpha equal to sin 2 alpha. Sir, then sin 2 alpha is equal to b square minus 1. That sin 2 alpha range will be from 0 to 1, sir. So like it should be greater than 0. So b square minus 1 is greater than 0 means b will be greater than or equal.
Okay. Okay. Good. Very good, Nitin. You got it right. So option 1 is the right answer. So you பாத்தீங்கன்னா cos sin 2 alpha equal to 2 sin alpha cos alpha, which is sin alpha plus cos alpha the whole square minus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. That means b square minus 1. Then everything, all the options are b square minus 1. Yeah, if you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, all the options are b square minus 1. Only the range they are given differently. So what is the correct range? So like Nitin said, range of sin 2 alpha is minus 1 to 1. So b square minus 1 the sin 2 alpha we saw. Then b square minus 1 range for that is minus 1 to 1. So you add 1 to all the terms, you get b square's range will be 0 to 2 So that means b less than or equal to root of 2. So you can see that maximum value of sin A plus cos A occurs when sin A equal to cos A. So at this value, uh, so so this is something I thought relevant. I can put it down here. So if so we know that sin A ranges from -1 to +1, and cos A also ranges from -1 to +1. But if you take sin A plus cos A, its maxima occurs when sin A equal to cos A, that is when A equal to pi by 4. So that value, sin A is 1 by root 2, cos A is 1 by root 2. So sin A plus cos A will be root 2. So we see now sin alpha, B is sin alpha plus cos alpha. So what is the range of that B? That's what we are seeing. So sin alpha plus cos alpha, the maxima occurs when that alpha or A is equal to pi by 4, and the maximum value is root of 4. So the minimum value of sin A plus cos A, okay, occurs at A equal to 5 by 4. The minimum value is minus okay. So in a triangle ABC, this is a simple question. I think you should be able to just tell the solution. Sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2 is greater than 0 in your option. Sin A, sin B, sin C greater than 0 in your option. So is either true, rendume true or rendume false, or any one is true. So that is the question.
Now, yesterday one boy was well sick and he was admitted ICU in Trignometry, and that boy wanted to talk to me. And I spoke to him and then said, "Amma சொல்றாங்க, I know that boy after talking that he."
See, in any triangles, all angles are greater than 0 and less than 180. Individual angles எடுத்துட்டோம்னா எதுவுமே 0 இருக்க முடியாது. It has to be greater than 0 and less than 180. So if we know that sin theta is positive in both first and second quadrants. அதனால for all the quantities of angle, all the angles are going to be in the range 0 to 180. So you take any angle, okay, it will be in 0 to 1 range 0 to 180. And any angle by 2 will also be in the range 0 to 180. Right? Or by 2 will be only in the range 0 to 90. So so any of the quantities, sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2, sin A, sin B, sin C, it will all be positive only.
I am going to send one number who is a very good friend of mine who is in Singapore.
The product of all the three positive quantities will be greater than 0. So here also, since all of them are positive quantities, product of all the three positive quantities has to be greater than 0. Positive. Equal 0 irukka mudiyadhu, and the value 0 irukka mudiyadhu because the angles cannot be 0 or 180. Angana no sin will become 0. So it is impossible. So So everything is positive quantity. So the product has to be positive. Option 1. Both 1 and 2 are true. So this is what we had left last week and we wanted to cover. So I think we're done. It's the last problem, right? Yeah. 29. So number Saturday aniki we will cover the next chapter, which is permutations and combinations. Okay. So adula ulla idhe mari we are going to work on the objective type questions. I think that will be exercise. That will be exercise 4.5 from the state book. So other put it Saturday aniki we'll discuss those problems. Whatever is possible. 25 problems are there. So it will be hard to cover all the problems. So if you can solve some of the problems beforehand, or if you do take some of them as homework. Number sila problems the class lo poda mudiyum. Remaining problems you can do it as homework. And maybe we can have another class sometime in the middle of next week. Because there are 25 problems. The 25 more class cover the customer. So, but whatever.
Sir, on the chapter PDFs then.
I will send it now. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Share. Okay. Anybody has any other questions, feedback? Okay then. Keshav? Hi Keshav. Sure. So we'll end the call now. We'll see you on Saturday. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.